Now I see little dots.
A lot of birds in the sky right there. I'm following one, and then you see more. Crows in the background. It's like chickens. What is that? They're only flying in that area. They're white. Their wings are spread up like in the V formation. They flutter, but they're catching the drift. Pretty cool. They're catching the little...
Right there, look at it. Look over here. You see the dark one?
Oh yeah. Hope you can see it. You can barely see little white specks. They're very hard to see, but look at the moving objects. It's birds. Why only there? Airplane passing by and nothing there. See? Oh, look at birds lower. How come they're going lower? Those are airplanes. No, those are the propellers in the back. Oh, look at that. We get to see that too. What is this happening now? We got birds that look, airplanes that look like the same birds here, catching the updrift. Gray ones, white ones. I don't know, you can see them right on top of that roof, circling, and as I pan my camera up, they're moving in that. And there was more up here, but they're all of a sudden gone, and then they come down here. And they've been recessed right here, like catching a nice wind breeze or something. But it's interesting that it's only 2 gray ones and the rest are all white. And those airplanes pass by a little overhead, probably to check them out too. They're probably observers, like from the scientific research. And 3 dark ones now that I hear. So I don't know. We're in the Temecula area, so. It's pretty cool, interesting. Not saying the name because don't want to attract a lot of crowd coming this way. But it's the birds just there. They're just going in circles. Is there a name for this, or is it just cruising the wind, sailing the wind? I don't know. All right, peeps. I'll do 3 minutes of it, but interesting stuff. See how they move this way? They scattered again.